We just released a free Ableton Rack Pack so you can speed up your mixing and your production workflow. Whether you just want to mix vocals, enhance your drums, or just want some creative effects, this is the video for you. My name is Leo Loretti. I'm a producer and owner of Abstract Music Lab, and I love using racks. They're intuitive, they're fast, and they get you where you want really fast. So let's get started and let's dive right in. Mixing vocals can be really tough, especially if you don't know where to begin, and these racks can make it a lot easier for you. Why? Because they have everything just built into one. For example,
in moments I'm missing you, falling back now.
And you can see the input and the output that this is compressing a bit of the vocal. Why compress? Because we want to tighten the dynamics of this vocal so everything sounds at the same level and we have a consistent experience while listening to this vocal.
In moments I'm missing.
We can also bring a bit more air into it.
In moments I'm missing you.
Giving that boost of high end. We can also spread it out.
In moments I'm missing you, falling back.
While this is a little bit more in the center, if you go all the way up, you have a bit more stereo into it. We can also low cut it, already built in here.
In moments.
Really useful if your vocal is really low endy. And most importantly, we have a de-esser also over here. You have to choose the range of your vocal.
In moments.
So where you want to de-ess this mainly, and then you can just boost it up.
In moments.
Why? To cut a little bit of those sibilant S's that you can see this in the vocal.
In moments.
Now we also have a ping pong delay.
I'm missing you.
And a 1/4.
Back now. I'm waking up to all of your.
To start making the vocal a little bit wetter, and most importantly as well, the reverb.
In moments. I'm missing you. Falling back now.
Listening in context.
In moments I'm missing you.
Without it.
In moments I'm missing you.
Just completely dry, completely empty, but it just feels a lot better. And of course you can control the volume in and the volume out of this rack as well. But we also have this pitch tool that helps you create some different textures into your vocal as well. For example, if you want to add the vocal an octave down,
in moments I'm missing you.
pads are all about atmosphere, width, and texture, and these racks can help you shape the mood of your pad instantly. Listen, for example, to these pads. And I'm gonna first turn on the crackle one. You can instantly use it just to add a little bit of crackles in the sound. Now let's go into the LFO filter rack. You can see how this already changes the sound completely. Let's listen to it in solo. And you can play around essentially with rate, low cut, delay, and reverb, but you can also use these ready-to-use presets, for example. Or stutter. Space, which is a bit more ethereal. Underwater, has this kind of watery feeling. Breaks. In context. And you can see how this instantly changes the vibe of the song. You can create many songs just by clicking, for example, these presets. Space really is one that is really nice. Creates a really nice background to the song, especially the basic one as well. And it's a different rhythm that can spark some creativity to you, and not only this, but complement your background of your song. Now let's go here into the second one, which is stereo control, the third one actually. Let's solo this again. And now, what essentially we can do this one, we can change the mode of the stereo spread, make it wider, without, with. And you can see how this adds a bit of width to the sound. Now we can also control the loudness of the width, make it fully mono, or make it even more wide, and also control the amount of synthetic side and natural side that we have in this rack. Synthetic, natural. Before, after. And you can see how the natural side just feels a bit more natural than a synthetic, but you can just combine both. Now, lastly, we also have the PML Stutter Rack, which is essentially just a stutter pack. The most common way to use this is just by using the 1/8 or the 1/16, which is essentially just a LFO transgate. You also have dry and wet mode. So wet mode is going to have a little bit more delay and reverb. You have 1/4, dry, dry 1/8, wet, dry, wet, or even better, triplets. So if you want to make your triplet song, we can also just go right away into it. You can also change everything over here and just change it to the rate and the delay and the reverb that you want, as you can see it. But you can use these presets again to just go to some quick inspiration and just help you just quickly spark something interesting in your songs. Now let's talk about drums, and this is the PML drum heat rack. We essentially can glue the drums together, add color, push the drums forward so they stick a little bit in the mix, and essentially it's an all-in-one drum rack that you can do a lot of things with. For example, let's look at some of the presets. You can see that it brings a bit more high end here, but now if you want to use this one, it brings a bit more low end in it. This one makes your percussions a bit more high-endy. Just compressing a little bit. This saturates everything and you can feel that it feels a bit more smacked. Intensifying the punch. High-end boost. And low-end boost. But again, you can control this all individually using here the smash, the punch, the saturation, and the low-high end. So for example, this is going to favor the high end, while this one is going to favor the low end. And you can listen to the drums dry. Let's use, for example, Too Much Air. Or even Make It Boom. Without. And you can see how it just brings a lot more pressure into the sound. So this essentially, again, is adding saturation, it's adding glue compression, and it's also tonal shaping your drums so they stick out and become a little bit forward into the sound. Simple compression, saturation. And you can see how everything feels a bit tighter. But I love the punch one. It just makes everything punch a bit more. This is great to use, especially in your kick if you want to bring a bit more of the low end, a bit more of the attack. And I use it all the time, and I'm sure that's gonna help you as well. I hope these racks help you mix faster or stay more creative. Essentially, they're there to help you do everything faster and not have to think about creating these effects. They're all there for you. You can download over here in the description below, and you can start experimenting with them in your own sessions as well. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know here in the comments below which kind of racks would you like to see here in the next video of this channel. See you in the next one. Ciao.